This video is our presentation of Denison Mines Corp. It's an AMX company trading our ticker DNN. I ran a lot of scans this morning. There was an overwhelming theme of indecision going on, as there's just overall some general market volatility where the blue chip stocks are getting toppy and having a tough time punching through to make new highs. But I stumbled across Denison, and it's making a nice move off a support level around $1.15, climbing over the last 2 weeks. Closed Tuesday at $1.32, climbed back through the 50-day, and now it's trying to punch through the 200-day, as well as some resistance right around $1.30. So this is a pretty important point for this stock if it's going to try and continue this uptrend. MACD trending upward, just now breaking through zero, indicating an overall trend shift to bullishness. Similar look with the PPO. ADX rising, just now breaking through 20, registering a 21.34. Generally speaking, breaking through 20 is defined as a new uptrend in the ADX. Nice solid look to the MFIs, essentially holding the upper half of the indicator for more than a month now. That just tells me people are paying higher prices for the stock, which is bullish. Across that same time frame, accumulation distribution is trending up, but I'd really like to see this break through and try and make some new highs to indicate there's some very strong accumulation going on in the play. You can see that just a little bit better in the Chaikin money flow. Holding in the green says that buying pressure is outweighing selling pressure. You can see over the last couple days, even though the stock price has risen, the Chaikin money flow shows there's been some selling going on in the play, and the buying and selling pressure is equalizing over those 20 periods. So that's why it's important for me to want to see this accumulation distribution break through and start to make some more definitive highs and show a much stronger uptrend. By definition, the CCI dropped a buy signal right through there. Technically speaking, it's a hold until it breaks back down through 100. Full stow, it's gauging momentum. See, it had a nice little uptrend happening before it made a stronger move. Even though it's turning back down, momentum is definitely on the bullish side of things. On any further pullbacks, just want to see this channel hold, and I want to see the full stow hold over top of 50. The trick is a slow moving gauge of trend. Reads pretty similar to the MACD. Uptrending, looking for that break of zero to show a stronger bullish trend. RSIs also rising, and again, important for me, on any pullbacks, hold the upper half of the indicator, i.e. over top of 50, to show that bullish momentum is being sustained in the play. Now I want to identify this bottom support right down there at $1.15, and that resistance point right there around $1.30. You can see over the last couple months, actually it was right around $1.27. That's why we generally refer to it as an area of support, not a specific pinpoint spot, although it's pretty clear that $1.30 is a resistance point in itself. Adding to that, 200-day moving average at $1.31, putting some dynamic resistance to the chart. And this wasn't some big powerful breakout. Stock just barely closed above that point. Decent liquidity of 1.1 million shares traded on Tuesday. So now I want to keep an eye on this because the indicators of trend and momentum are definitely showing a swing to the bullish side. And there's not a lot of resistance in sight. There's a little bit right there on $1.40. But it doesn't start picking up right through this area, $1.52, all the way up to the old highs at $1.62. You can see through here about 9 months ago, that $1.55 area was a source of resistance as well. So I'd expect that whole range from around $1.50 up to $1.60 to be a significant area of resistance. But closing where it did, that's a nice potential upside just to those levels. Then I'd be looking to play the swings as the stock tends to make a nice move up, pull back considerably, make another nice move, pull back considerably. And this time around when it comes back down, I'd just be looking for a higher low to be made to show that this chart's going to try and go in a general uptrend over the course of many months. Definitely an interesting chart though. I'd look for volume to spike up a little bit, show a stronger move, try and put a little bit of distance between the price per share and these key moving averages. Those are the type of things that I'd be looking for in the DNN chart, but as always, it's merely my interpretation. Thank you for watching. Trade smart.